Welcome to Evisa. We specialize in e-visas, which are easy and fast to apply for and cost-effective. Welcome to Ubud, a place known as the cultural heart of Bali. Here, art and nature are perfectly combined, and handicrafts inherit the long tradition, waiting for every traveler to explore. In Ubud's art market, you will find a variety of handicrafts, from exquisite wood carvings to traditional Balinese fabrics. Every piece of work is the artist's painstaking effort. Every stall here tells a story. In addition to the art market, Ubud's cultural activities are equally intoxicating. Here you can enjoy traditional Balinese dances such as keka and barong. Each performance combines rich stories and unique music, making you feel like you are there. Here, every handicraft is not just a commodity, but also a manifestation and inheritance of culture. You can experience the production process yourself, such as learning how to weave a traditional Balinese straw hat or participating in a hand-painted pottery workshop. In order to make your trip smoother, WeVisa provides you with convenient visa services. Just apply online, which is simple and fast, so that you can concentrate on enjoying Ubud's culture and art. In Ubud, art does not only exist on canvas, it penetrates into every corner and integrates into people's lives. The cultural atmosphere and enthusiastic locals here will leave you with unforgettable memories. Thank you for exploring Ubud's cultural and artistic experience with us. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. More exciting content is waiting for you. See you next time.